G'day, Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass. And most of you have seen the workshop I'm in now and the workshop next door. And some of you might have seen me doing a bit of wood turning. What I'd like to do is give you a tour of the shed. Now I've got some metalworking gear set up in there as well. So that's my lathe shed. So this is just a quick rip round of one of the other workshops I've got and how it's looking. Hopefully I'll be able to do some, if not live streams, definitely some more videos from up there. So enjoy a quick tour. This is the lathe that I bought as well. I was looking at one of those mini Asian imports, but then I thought, oh, I might need something a little bit bigger for later on down the track, so I bought this one. The same brand as the milling machine, which is Optimum. Got these books too so I can learn how to use it because it's been a while. It's a Optimum TU 250-06V. Hello. And again, I bought that from Heron Forbes locally here in Brisbane. So between the two of them, I think I should have enough to keep me going. And on the other side of this shed, that's where I've got my record wood lathe, which is covered in rubbish at the moment. And then over on this part, this is where all my sharpening stuff is. I've got a Tormex Laser P grinder, a Robert Sorby Pro Sharp, and at the end a Carbotex slow speed grinder. And at the end of this shed there is a massive old Simtech lathe from 1990. It's great because I can go between centres up to a metre on that. And those of you that saw Room for Woodwork will recognise that tool cabinet there. And they were the good old days when I actually featured on Australian Wood Review all those years ago. Microwave, no, it's not for food. I don't know what I use it for. They're drying out pasta Paris, I think. But yeah, that's it. There's a pan brake machine over there. Again, bought that from Heron Forbes. That is what I don't know, see if you can do it. You can just see one up there, the roofs to my beehives that I make. That's what I use that for. There is the oval for the back of the hummingbird bed when I get back into doing that. And there's a drone whenever I get around to flying it. And there's a little bit of friendly advice. So I've got a few of these around. I did them ages ago. What's that one? If you can do it, do it. If you can't do it, ask. If you want to tell me how, go away. And hourly rate, bench time $130 an hour, watching 145. What's that? Being advised, 160, and if you're wanting to help, $200 payable in advance. Warning, social distancing is observed, 1.5 metres apart, mouth shut. So there you go, and I love this. I don't know if you can get the full. That's the old retro King Chrome tool cabinet. Got that from Bunnings. So I don't know if they're still available. They're really good. A couple of egg beaters on the wall. But that is about it. So back to what I was doing. Well, there you go. Sometimes I don't make it down to the woodworking shed. I say to Sue, I'm going down the woodworking shed, then I get trapped by a blacksmithing forge, or I get trapped by the wood lathe or the metal lathe or milling machine or bending machine. and I don't get down here. But everything I'm doing, I'm trying to incorporate. So I'm looking forward to bringing more metalwork into woodwork so we can make our own hinges, make our own clasps, make our own handles, and just have fun with a whole variety of different disciplines. So till then, and we meet again, this is Steve pulling the shed door down saying remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe, look after yourself, be kind to each other. And I look forward to having your company in one of the workshops, at one of the workbenches, again very, very soon. Till then, God bless. Bye for now. See ya.